Ano ang mangyayari kung nag-issue ang ICC ng warrant of arrest?
Dito tayo. Ang ICC nag-issue ng warrant of arrest. Tingnan natin si President Duterte. Ganun. Dalawa. For example, ang gusto nilang arestuhin nandito sa Pilipinas. Pwede mo bang arestuhin si Juan de la Cruz pursuant sa warrant of arrest na inisyu ng ICC sa Pilipinas? Hindi. Bakit hindi? Nakalagay po sa ating saligang batas that you can only be arrested pursuant to a warrant of arrest issued by competent judicial authority. We say competent judicial authority, domestic courts, not ICC. Nakalagay po sa ating saligang batas, you can only be arrested provided na may warrant of arrest issued by a competent court in the Philippines, meaning domestic court, not ICC. So therefore, except of course, pag may yung mga tinatawag na warrantless arrest, yung mga caught in the act, mga ganon. But kung warrant of arrest lang, hindi ka pwede arrestuhin sa Pilipinas. Except, may exception, if the Philippine government cooperates. But even if the Philippine government cooperates, kailangan nilang sundin ang ating saligang batas. Ang ating saligang batas nakalagay doon, kailangan na yung warrant of arrest, it should be by the ICC, should be reviewed by the domestic courts. That's why pag inaresto si President Duterte, kailangan munang dalhin muna siya sa local courts. Para tingnan kung tama ba yung warrant of arrest, may basihan ba ang warrant of arrest. While tingnan ng korte yan, pwede mapag-avail ng bail. Yun dapat. But in this case, hindi nangyari yan. Kasi kung nahuli ka sa Pilipinas, hindi ka pwedeng hulihin through warrant of arrest ng ICC. Kailangan hulihin ka kung yung ICC warrant of arrest should be approved or verified and confirmed by the local courts. Except if the Philippine courts cooperate, Philippine government cooperates, but even if they cooperate, they need to follow the Philippine Constitution. In this case, hindi nangyari yun. Option number 2, o possible number 2. What if pumunta ka sa ibang bansa, nagpasyal-pasyal ka sa ibang bansa, and yung bansa na yan, member ng ICC, yes, pwede ka arrestuhin. Pwede kang arrestuhin doon. Pero kahit na-arrestuhin ka doon, dalhin ka pa rin sa course doon. Sa court kung saan ka na-arresto, then bago ka ihatid sa ICC. Yun ang proseso dapat under the Rome Statute. But unfortunately, nung panahon sa pag-aresto ni President Duterte, hindi na sunod yon. Hindi na sunod ang Rome Statute. Ang Rome Statute, ang nakalagay doon, kailangan ihatid muna sa local courts. Hindi na sunod. Second, hindi rin nasunod ang ating saligang batas. Ang ating saligang batas, very clear, hindi ka pwedeng arrestuhin kung walang warrant of arrest issued by competent court of the Philippines. Not international court, but competent court of the Philippines. Kailangan may warrant of arrest. In this case, wala. So, therefore, may constitutional issue about sa pag-aresto ni President Duterte.